Agent skills are growing fast, but more skills do not automatically make agents easier to use. As the ecosystem grows, users face three real problems. Quality is hard to judge. Trying skills takes too much setup. And local installation introduces security risk. So ConsoleX AI is being rebuilt as a more complete environment for the agent skills era. Discovery, installation, execution, safety, persistence, and customization. Let's look at a real example. We ask ConsoleX to search for EXA search skills, and it scans available sources for relevant options. We choose the EXA search agent and ask ConsoleX to install it and explain how to use it. The AI installs the skill and outlines the basic workflow. It also notes that an API key is required. So we open Skills, go to the Custom tab, find the new skill, and update its configuration. We add a new environment variable named EXA-API key. Now we put the skill to work. We ask ConsoleX to analyze the market for backlink analysis tools and generate a comparison table. ConsoleX runs the skill in a sandbox environment, calls the EXA search API, and returns a structured market view with a comparison matrix and key recommendations. That's the bigger idea behind the rebuild. Not just chat, but an automation studio for real work.